Kashmir trip. We are en route to Sonmarg again with my mom. जिनको ठंडा लग रहा है, पापा जिसको ठंडा नहीं लग रहा, and he is wearing one jacket and then a cord jacket and then one ear and finally a shirt and yeah, it's too cold. So here's the road. Pretty smooth. Photo road here, so actually it's good. No nausea, or anything. It's such a good It was expected to snow today in Srinagar, and Sonmarg, which is apparently, and you can see the snow cable straight up. So yeah, I'll show you as we go. You can see this. Here we have just stopped for a small photo session. Just look at me, looking like an Eskimo right now. This is the welcome to Sonmarg.
ये एक डेढ़ घंटे में आप क्या
Hello from Sonmarg. Just take a look at this. There are the ATVs. There's the mountain. There's the snow. And yeah, snowless mountain, snowful mountain. This is amazing. Just have to walk, tread carefully. It's all frozen snow. So yeah, there you have it. I'll try and go to the top over there and come sliding down. Let's go. Just look at this. So we finally have what we came all the way here for, snowfall. So it has just started lightly. I don't know if you can see it, but you know, very small particles of snow are slowly coming and just bombarding on my face and all. So yeah, snowfall finally. We stayed in Srinagar for like 10 days just to witness the snowfall. And finally we are seeing that now. It's very light, once it picks up some pace, I'll show you that full-fledged snowfall. So yeah, once again, finally we have some sun over here. Just look at this view. Come on, heaven on earth. There you have it, people. So snowflakes, people, small snowflakes. I hope the camera is able to capture the incoming small bombardment of snow. But yeah, finally the much awaited snowfall. Looks like, just straight out of a fairy tale or a fairy tale book, more like it. It's cold. It's roughly -8 degrees as of now and chilling. Ooh, just look at that view. We have the sun finally. thank God you have natural, what is it called, surface to provide some fishing. Otherwise walking in the snow is actually very hard. Insipting. So apparently there's an incoming snowfall. You can see the mist over there, clouds and all. So we have to head back to Srinagar now. But yeah, the view is next level. Here are my parents enjoying the snow. So we all actually saw the snow for the first time, snowfall for the first time. It is still happening. So yeah, there's the view, there's my parents, and there's some snowball incoming. Yep, there it is. So day after tomorrow we'll be in Gulmarg. There we'll be going in the gondola ride as well. So yeah, that will be again an epic. So you can see the ATVs going over there as well. You know, there's just a fun snow stuff. So yeah, Kashmir, heaven on earth. Now this feels like heaven on earth. Like seriously heaven on earth. You have to come here to, you know, experience it to believe it. It's that. So yeah, Snowmark. Sorry, it's not Snowmark. What is it called? Sonmarg, people. Sonmarg. ATVs again. So here's the sledge ride. Woo! Sledge ride, people. Woo! Okay, this is fast. This is really fast. This is fast. Woo! Woo! So we just began our trip back to Srinagar and we found something really very special. So here you have, you know, cottages for staying and all that stuff. Just look at the halat of this cottage. So you have like, you know, this snow. There's the cottage. Just look at this. There's like, I don't know how many inches that is, but roughly 1 feet deep snow. 1 feet deep snow right there. And the pathway looks completely magical. It's like out of a fairy tale. So this is the Jammu Kashmir Tourism guest house, but the scenery is mesmerizing. So another pit stop on our way back to Srinagar. Just look at this view. Mountains. Mountains, snow, clouds, snow-clad cloud, whatever you can call it. Pine trees, river, and a view. A view to live for.